Machine Learning Roadmap from Foundations to Deployed AI Applications. Let's start with Programming Foundations. Python Mastery. Master Python as the primary language for machine learning ecosystems. In this stage, you will learn core concepts such as variables, data types, conditions, loops, and functions. These basics help you understand how programs work and how logic is written. You will also practice important data structures like lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries. These help you organize, store, and manage data efficiently. The main goal is to build confidence so you can write basic programs independently and solve real-world problems. Essential mathematics for ML. Core focus: understand data behavior rather than just deep theory. In linear algebra, you will master vectors and matrices, which are the building blocks of machine learning models. In statistics, you will learn important concepts like mean, median, and variance, helping you analyze and summarize data. In probability, you will understand basic concepts and graph interpretation, which help you predict outcomes and handle uncertainty. The main goal is to understand how data behaves. Data handling and analysis. In this stage, the primary tools used are NumPy for numerical operations and Pandas for data manipulation. These libraries help you efficiently process and analyze large datasets. During preparation, you will learn how to read CSV and Excel files and perform comprehensive data cleaning. Cleaning data ensures accuracy and improves model performance. In the processing phase, you will handle missing values and practice filtering and grouping complex data. This helps organize information and uncover meaningful patterns. The main goal is to prepare real-world data so it is ready for machine learning models. Data visualization. In this stage, you will use tools like Matplotlib and Seaborn to create powerful visualizations. These tools help transform complex data into easy-to-understand visuals. You will work with different graph types such as bar charts, line graphs, and scatter plots. Each chart helps you analyze patterns, trends, and relationships in data. Data visualization also allows you to explain insights clearly to stakeholders and decision-makers. The main goal is to transform raw numbers into clear and meaningful visual insights. Core machine learning. First, we choose the right tool, select an algorithm, train the model, test it, analyze the results, and improve the model. This process repeats until the model becomes accurate and reliable. Scikit-learn is the gold standard tool for building machine learning models. It provides powerful libraries to create, train, and test models efficiently. You will learn important algorithms such as linear regression, logistic regression, k-nearest neighbors, decision trees, and random forest. In evaluation, you will master the concept of training and testing datasets, as well as understanding overfitting and underfitting. This helps you measure how accurate and reliable your model is. The main goal is to successfully evaluate machine learning model accuracy. Practical projects, beginner level. Start with house price prediction. Student result forecasting. Intermediate level spam email detection. Movie recommendation systems. Goal: apply theoretical knowledge to practical, real-world problems. Deep learning and deployment. In this stage, you transition from machine learning to artificial intelligence using TensorFlow or PyTorch neural networks. This allows you to build advanced AI models for real-world applications. In the production phase, you will use Flask or Streamlit to deploy functional web applications. This helps you convert your models into usable products that people can interact with. You will also learn cloud deployment using platforms like AWS and Azure to make your projects accessible globally. Cloud skills ensure scalability, reliability, and real-time usage. The main goal is to create fully functional and deployed AI applications. Thanks for watching. If you found this roadmap is helpful, subscribe my channel Grow with AI for more tutorials.